You may be surprised to learn that whoever built the pyramids of Egypt somehow knew the accurate size of our Earth. Yes, you heard that correctly. This is not just speculation. When the dimensions of the pyramids are carefully examined, it appears that the builders knew the Earth's size about 4,500 years ago, or perhaps even earlier. Welcome once again to another fascinating video on Nascent Edge. The more we try to learn about the pyramids of Egypt, the more mysterious they become. There is no doubt that they are filled with countless mysteries that scientists and Egyptologists are still trying to understand today. One of the biggest mysteries is how the pyramids were built and what their real purpose was. After years of research, we are often told that the pyramids were tombs for the ancient Egyptian pharaohs. For Egyptians, these pharaohs were considered more than kings. They were almost like gods, and they were buried inside pyramids. However, archaeologists have never found the mummy of a single pharaoh inside any pyramid. There is no confirmed evidence of a mummy discovered in any pyramid. What we do know from evidence is that the Great Pyramid of Giza was built using about 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing roughly as much as an elephant. The base of the pyramid spreads over about 13 acres, and its height originally reached 481 feet. Another fascinating detail is that the eastern and western walls of the three main pyramids align almost perfectly with the North Pole. Thousands of years ago, such a massive structure was aligned toward true north with an accuracy comparable to modern compasses. Not only that, the base of the pyramid is leveled with an accuracy of about 0.75 inches. Engineers know that achieving this level of precision over such a large area normally requires modern laser leveling systems. Evidence also shows that the four sides of the pyramid were constructed with massive stone blocks set at a precise angle. Each side measures approximately 230 meters, and the difference between the sides is no more than about 2 inches, making them 99.98% accurate compared to one another. But the mystery does not end there. Some researchers claim that the builders of the Great Pyramid of Giza knew the size of the Earth thousands of years ago. Pay attention to this point. During winter, days become shorter and nights longer. During summer, the opposite happens. However, there are 2 days each year when day and night are exactly equal, around March 21st and September 22nd. On these days, the sun is directly above the equator. This event is called the equinox. On those days, there are 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of night, which equals 43,200 seconds. Some theories claim that if you multiply 43,200 by the height of the Great Pyramid, the result is approximately 6,339 kilometers, which is very close to the Earth's polar radius. According to this claim, the calculation will be about 99.63% accurate. Similarly, the perimeter of the pyramid's base multiplied by 43,200 supposedly gives a number close to the Earth's equatorial circumference. Some people believe this is just a coincidence, but others think such high accuracy appearing more than once cannot simply be accidental. There is another interesting detail. At first glance, the pyramid seems to have 4 sides, but technically it has 8 sides. Each face is slightly concave. These 8 sides are most visible from the air during the equinox. This phenomenon was first noticed in 1940 by a Royal Air Force pilot flying over the pyramid. If the builders knew the Earth's size thousands of years ago, how did they know it? The pyramids appear far more complex than we often imagine. It is hard to believe that such structures were built over 4,500 years ago with limited technology. Some theories suggest they may have had advanced knowledge or technology. Others speculate that perhaps another advanced civilization helped build them. The author Graham Hancock proposed a theory linking the pyramids with the stars of the Orion constellation. According to this theory, the layout of the pyramids at the Giza Plateau matches the 3 stars of Orion's belt. However, critics point out that the alignment does not perfectly match the star positions today or even 4,500 years ago. Some astronomical models suggest the closest alignment may have occurred around 10,500 BCE. Another piece of controversial evidence relates to the Great Sphinx of Giza. Professor Robert Schoch argues that the erosion patterns on the Sphinx appear to be caused by heavy rainfall, not just wind and sand. If this is true, it might suggest the structure is much older, possibly dating back to a time when the region experienced heavy rains. Scientific evidence also suggests that around 9,700 BCE, the last ice age ended, glaciers melted, and sea levels rose significantly. Because of these mysteries, the pyramid's connection to Earth's measurements, its precise alignment with true north, the absence of confirmed royal mummies. Some people speculate that the pyramids might have been built by a civilization more advanced than ancient Egypt. Strangely, there is almost no clear explanation in Egyptian hieroglyphs about how the pyramids were actually constructed. As science continues to advance, perhaps one day the real truth behind the pyramids will finally be revealed. We hope you enjoyed this video on Nascent Edge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysterious and fascinating stories. Thank you very much for your support.